Chocolate Freddy here, and today we're gonna play Roblox. Roblox High School, yeah. This is gonna be very fun. First, I'm gonna be a senior. Yeah, I'm gonna be a senior. So let's see. Ready for safety tip. Stop, drop, and do a barrel roll. What is happening? So this is for boyfriend. How can the mirrors be real if our eyes aren't real? What's that? Just whatever I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Let's see. I need to uniforms too. Well, I can buy clothing using Robux. No way. I doesn't have any Robux. I'm gonna be an ordinary man that was using no more Robux. Hey, it's night right now, right? Maybe I should get to house, teleport to house. Poker? No, there's my house. Okay, wait. Now all I'm gonna do in here is to well, I think I edit my house. Yeah. Anyway, this is my RH. Yes. I'll just tell people your IC is better. Oh, okay. Oh, that's weird. I think I'm gonna edit my house. Add furniture. That is very important. That it's very important to get into it. So, okay. See how much this. Oh, I can. Okay, I can add to home. If I rotate how to rotate how are you gonna move this? Okay, seriously, this is what does it mean? How am I possibly gonna move? Oh, now I get it. Okay. Okay, then do it like this. Okay. Now I need to stop. Wait. How does the bat get here if I did? Wait. Yeah, it's yes, it's done. Now I can show my walls and voila! That was great. Well, still need to save your house, okay? House is. Well, what we're gonna do is show me like this. Okay, there we go. My bad. I think I'm gonna sit down. Now, this is me. I'm wearing visor, Roblox visor. Wait, I think they're at the. Oh no! Where is the red club? I'm gonna go to the red club now. The principal said that I have to go to the red club or I got detentions. Maybe they're already here, right? Yeah. Like that. Who else talking this song? Oh no, oh man. I just say hate this song. Very weird. It's wait, hey guys. Wait. They do like one team. What? I think there's. Hey, I didn't think there are real. Whatever. It's kind of weird. Oh hey, welcome to Clever. What do you need? Seriously? Let's see. What's this potion do for? Oh, hate it. Are real? Yeah, they are real. What? Oh, this girl! It's so fast. Hey there, good to see ya. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh no, why are you going to the girl one? That's weirdo. Competition. This is very weird. Now this look at it. Most movies all character is very weird. I'm gonna go, is it? So guys, thanks for watching my videos. Goodbye!